Imagine a battlefield, silent yet watched by eyes in the sky. No soldiers in sight, just a buzzing sound. Then a strike. No warning, no mercy. Welcome to modern warfare, where drones are not just tools, but game changers. The idea of unmanned warfare isn't new. In World War I, early versions of pilotless planes were tested. But real transformation began in the late 1990s and early 2000s, when the United States unveiled the MQ-1 Predator drone. Initially designed for surveillance, it soon became a hunter. Armed with Hellfire missiles, it introduced a terrifying new reality: death from above, without warning. 1. Zero risk to human soldiers. No need to send pilots into hostile zones. 2. 24/7 surveillance. Eyes in the sky, watching every move, day and night. 3. Precision strikes. Kill a high-value target without damaging surrounding areas. 4. Cost efficiency. Much cheaper than jets or helicopters. 5. Psychological warfare. Enemies constantly feel watched. Fear becomes a weapon. 1. United States, the pioneer. With MQ-9 Reapers, Global Hawks, and now AI-powered drones, the US dominates long-range, high-tech drone warfare. 2. China, a fast-rising power. China's Winglong and CH-series drones are being exported globally, especially to countries under US sanctions. 3. Turkey, home to the famous Bayraktar TB2. Turkey's drones turned the tide in conflicts like Libya, Syria, and especially the Ukraine war. 4. Israel, with decades of battlefield experience, Israel leads in advanced surveillance and precision drone systems used in real-time combat. 5. Iran, surprisingly advanced. Iran's drones, though not high-tech, are cheap and deadly, and have shown impact in Middle East proxy wars. This is the heart of the global drone war, America versus China. The US focuses on AI integration, stealth, and endurance. Drones like the XQ-58 Valkyrie can fly alongside fighter jets. China, meanwhile, is investing in swarm drone technology. Hundreds of autonomous drones flying like a hive, overwhelming defenses. America uses drones for counterterrorism, high-value targeting, and global surveillance. China is building a drone fleet for large-scale warfare, especially in the South China Sea and Taiwan regions. The US exports selectively. China sells to Africa, Middle East, and Latin America, gaining strategic allies through technology. In Ukraine, Turkish and US drones have helped resist Russian tanks and artillery. In Gaza and Syria, Israeli drones provide real-time combat intelligence and carry out surgical strikes. In Yemen, Iranian drones have targeted oil facilities in Saudi Arabia, changing regional power balances. These aren't test flights. These are real wars being fought by machines. The next step? Autonomous drones that don't need human commands. Imagine swarms of AI drones identifying, tracking, and killing targets, all on their own. Sounds like science fiction? It's already being tested. But here's the ethical dilemma. Who's responsible if an AI drone kills a civilian? The coder, the commander, or the machine? The skies are no longer empty. They're filled with silent predators, invisible watchers, and steel messengers of death. Drones have changed the way we fight. The question is, can humanity keep up with the technology it has unleashed? This is not the future of war. This is war now. If you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the science and tech shaping our world. Until next time, keep your eyes on the sky.